In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Adobe Acrobat subscription. If you're considering canceling your Adobe Acrobat subscription, whether because you no longer need it or are exploring other options, this straightforward process will help you get it done smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, open your web browser and head over to account.adobe.com. This is Adobe's main account management page where you can oversee all your subscriptions and account details. Make sure you're logged into the Adobe account associated with your Acrobat subscription. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Be sure to have those credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the overview page. This page provides a snapshot of your account details, including your active subscriptions. It's designed to give you easy access to manage your plans and see what you're currently subscribed to. From here, find and click on the option that says Manage Plan. This section is where you can make changes to your subscription, such as upgrading, downgrading, or in this case, canceling your plan. As you navigate to the Manage Plan page, you'll see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on Cancel to proceed. Adobe might ask you for a reason for canceling. This is optional, but providing feedback can help them improve their services. After you've selected a reason or opted to skip this step, Adobe will likely present you with a confirmation screen. This is the final checkpoint to ensure you really want to cancel, so take a moment to review any information provided about the implications of canceling. Sometimes Adobe offers incentives or discounts to retain customers. You might see these offers on this page. If you're sure about canceling, go ahead and confirm your decision. After confirming, you should receive a confirmation email from Adobe. This email serves as a record of your cancellation, so be sure to keep it for your records. It's always a good idea to double check your account to ensure the subscription status reflects the cancellation. You should see that your plan is no longer active or is set to expire at the end of your billing cycle. And there you have it, your Adobe Acrobat subscription has been successfully canceled. If you ever decide to return, you can easily reactivate or subscribe again through the same account portal. Remember, managing your subscriptions effectively can help you stay on top of your finances and ensure you're only paying for services you truly use. This simple guide will show you how to cancel your Adobe Acrobat subscription without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more useful tutorials and tips.